In a major fire that broke out at two shops in Baina, Vasco, goods worth around ₹7 lakh were destroyed.
The incident was reported at a haircutting saloon and at a general store in Baina market area at around 1:45 on early Monday morning. Short circuit apparently was the cause of the fire. According to the saloon owner, Rudrappa Hadappa, because of heavy rains on Sunday night, he had closed his shop and parked his two-wheeler at the shop. He claimed he lost around ₹2.5 lakh.
4 शॉप था, कुर्सियाँ था, टीवी था, मोबाइल था, गाड़ी था और हम कर 2-2.5 लाख के ऊपर नुकसान हुआ। तो हम 10:30 बजे बंद किया दुकान। उसके बाद हमको मालूम नहीं था, रात को 2 बजने के बाद इधर आग लगा बोल के बोला, तभी हम घर से बाहर आया। इधर आने के बाद तो पूरा ये हो गया था, जल गया था।
Speaking to Goa 365, the owner of the general store, Madhav Das Lakhani, stated that this was the first incident during the past 30 years he ran the shop. He also claimed that goods worth ₹4.5 lakh turned into ashes in the incident.
शॉर्ट सर्किट हुआ, अभी क्या हुआ तो मैं तो 8:15 बजे बंद करके गया था दुकान घर में। 1:30 बजे एक और लड़का बुलाया गया, दुकान में आग लगाया तो मैंने आया तो वो लोग ने सब पूरा बंदोबस्त करके सबको बुलाया लगा दिया। 4 से 4.5 लाख।
The fire incident was such that the adjoining hutments behind the shops also got affected and the poor residents suffered damages. The chairperson of the Murmurgaon Municipal Council visited the fire incident site and assured help after the damage assessment was done.
फायर डिपार्टमेंट जाऊन पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट आणि इलेक्शन त्यांचे आमचे पंचनामाचो रिपोर्ट आसतलो ते प्रमाणे पंचनामा तांकां करून दिल्ले आसा। तांकां पंचनामा केले मागीर आमी आमचो इलेक्ट्रिकल इन्स्पेक्टर जो आसता ताका इन्स्पेक्ट करून तेमीन ते एरिया गेले मागीर आमी जाता तशें आमचे पॉवर डिपार्टमेंट ते मिनिस्टर आमचे एलेक्स सिकेरा बाब आसा तेंचे लागून आमी रिक्वेस्ट करता ताका कितें तरी हेल्प मेळूं अशी।